Army, it is your girl Leslie, and I am back at you again with another Natural Les hair video. I'm like almost certain this playlist is like full up, so if you have not already checked out my playlist, my Natural Les playlist, go ahead over there and check it out. I got like 50 videos in there now. I think it's like my biggest playlist. Anyway, I digress. This video is sponsored by Allove Hair. They sent me 4 bundles, 2 26-inch bundles and 1 24-inch bundles of their deep wave human hair, and I decided to do this cute look with it. With that being said, I did have to redo this video because 1, the file got encrypted, and then 2, I used some edge control on the other one, and as I was watching sorry y'all, as I was watching the video back, I realized like that white residue was coming through. I said I can't be showing y'all that. So I had to redo, you know what I'm saying? It was some things that I did that was new that I didn't like, so I said. So what you're gonna see is you're gonna see the first part of me during that day unboxing the hair, and then you'll see me today actually putting the hair in a low pony. So same concept, I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing portion. All right, so with that being said, make sure if you want any details on this hair throughout the video that you go to the DB. Check out that description box. You feel me? All right, so without further ado, we're gonna get into this video. All right, so this is pretty much the packaging. As you can see, I already have some in my hair. I'm using all 3 bundles that they sent me. They also sent me a frontal, but for this video, I decided to install 2 ponytails. Nonetheless, this is the packaging that it comes in, and then they sent me 2 26-inch bundles, a 24-inch bundle, and a 20-inch closure. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, I'm doing this video. I'm gonna do 2 low ponytails, a little different from what you might have seen in the beginning of the video, but 2 low ponytails, same concept, same install. So I have a 26-inch bundle, no, 1 full 26-inch bundle on this side, and then half of the 24, and then 1 full on this side and half of 24 on this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys what you need. You're gonna need some rubber bands. You're gonna need some bobby pins. And you're gonna need your bundle. I mean, it's that simple. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing popping. Take the end of this part, you're gonna undo it just a little bit. Undo it just like that, and then you're going to get 1 rubber band. What you're going to do is you're going to double your bundle, right? Or you can do it like single wet, but I'm going to double it because it's supposed to be quick. You're going to take the end of this, like a little bit of the end. So then you're going to take this much of both ends together, and this is the open end, okay? And then you're going to take the rubber band. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see that, but you're going to take the rubber band and you're going to just take it over that hair. Right? And then you're going to just do that like 3 or 4 times, maybe 3 times. Just to make sure it's on there. And then you're gonna take that thing, you're gonna take it and you're gonna put it at the end of the ponytail. Right? And then after you do that, you're gonna take the piece that's left in there and you're just gonna kind of just add some extra security. So we're gonna braid that. We're gonna braid that in. Alright, so you got it in now we're gonna take the actual weave and just go around the ponytail in a spiral motion. As you're just gonna keep taking it up. And then, see, I need more of the bundle, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of this and I'm just gonna wrap it up, right? Wrap it up the top. This is secure. This one, you don't need nothing crazy to hold this, but so I'm gonna just go ahead and separate. We're gonna have to do that later. Might as well go ahead and do it right now. So go ahead, open it up, get your volume popping while we're here. Okay. And then we're gonna take the last of the 24 inches. I'm gonna go ahead and double with them. Quick and easy install. We're gonna take the ends of that. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it around the top portion of the ponytail. And now we're gonna take this part and we're just gonna start kind of lower, a little lower, like where that last bundle ended, and then we're gonna take it back up. And then we're back at the top, and again we're gonna take a little bit of that end piece and we're gonna wrap it around the top of the ponytail. And just to kind of secure this one, we're gonna take a bobby pin. I'm gonna put it in there like this. Like this. So we have, we'll do some separating. All right, and then now we're just gonna take a little bit from the back and we're gonna give it a wrap. We'll take some got to be. Big spray. And we'll take one last bobby pin and just secure that end piece into the end. So we got our two ponies. And if you have a little frizz that you want to get out, you can take your favorite foaming mousse and just apply. I kind of like mine with volume, so a little frizz is okay for me. All right, link check. Where they are. All right, guys, I'll be back in a minute for the finished look. Well, you guys, this is the finished look with the Allove Deep Wave bundles. Okay, so as you see, super quick and easy. So all I did was like the front part, I just explained what I did. So I just slicked my hair down, braided, parted it, slicked it down with gel, and I used some edge control to lay my edges. I tied it up overnight just because I was planning to do this video this morning and then woke up and started to do my hair. So that's just what this consists of, because I know I only showed you guys how to install the bundle. But with that being said, I've been looking for some new bundles, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, the other ones I literally wore out, like wore out. So Allove came through, honey, with the clutch with these bundles, okay? So as you can see from the unpackaging, I still have not washed these bundles, and this is how they look. They are true to length. I feel like they're the perfect density for me, like not too heavy, especially because I have them in 2 ponytails. So I've learned to not stress or like weigh down my hair due to the part, you know, because it can strain or it gives me headaches sometimes. So I love the fact that it's like the perfect density or the perfect weight, and they both are like I evenly distributed them both pretty well, so I like that. But if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you thumbs up this video, or if you just want to see more of your girl Les Latrice, just thumbs up this video, and be sure to check out my next video, which will be on this hairdo and pretty much a 4-in-1. So I'm going to show you how to do 4 hairstyles with this as your starting point. Best for traveling when you just want to add some diversity but you don't want to take out your hair. So I got you, okay? All right, you guys, well, that concludes this video. Make sure you, like I said, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and connect with me on social media at Leslie Latrice on IG, at Leslie Latrice _ on Twitter, Leslie Latrice Official on Facebook, and Leslie Latrice on Pinterest, at Wogiz on Snapchat. Okay, so make sure you guys connect with me on there. That's where I do all my updates, so turn your notifications on so you're updated when I upload. Okay? I tell you, it's not something you want to miss. It's not something you want to miss. Okay? I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next upload. It is your girl, Les Latrice, and remember to always protect your